Here, you'll see how to create a new video clip within latakoo Pilot. Open the clip you want. We know the soundbite we want, so we'll search keywords. You will see the transcription scroll to the exact location. Here, tap the 3 vertical dots or Action tab and select Clip. You will see the text highlight in violet. Scroll to the out point you want and tap the scissors. In the pop-out window, type in the name of the new clip and select a network for it to live. This new clip will behave like a regular upload. It will be transcribed, playable, searchable, and downloadable. If the network is attached to a hub, it will automatically be ingested into your asset manager for broadcast. And should it be attached to your CMS workflow, it will automatically hit your CMS system to publish on the web. Another option? If you know the timecode of the clip, simply scroll to that point on the timeline or insert the timecode and hit return. Tap the scissors to the bottom right of the screen. You can either play the clip or cue it up to the out point and tap the scissors to create the clip. Rename the clip and choose the network to send to. Clipping can save you time and hard drive space. latakoo, created by journalists, trusted by the world.